Hello friends, myself Dr. Muhammadali, Faculty of Communication at the Department of Mass Communication, University of Calicut. I offer an interdisciplinary course in environmental communication. The course is designed in two parts. Part 1 focuses on various dimensions of the environment and the issues related to it. This part imparts basic environmental literacy, the nature of environmental challenges we face, and the strategies adopted by environmental organizations to address these challenges. Focus of the second part is on different methods of communication of environmental issues. It is a 4-credit course that has to be completed within a period of 14 weeks. Regular live interaction and discussion forum will be an added attraction of the course. Each module includes quiz, assignments, and reference materials. Final examination will be carried out and certification will be made. The course is beneficial for graduate students from all branches, environmental activists and volunteers who work for various non-governmental organizations. Let me invite you to join this massive open online course in environmental communication. Thank you.